I'm Mr. Schrader, and welcome to today's episode of Dig It or Ditch It. And today I want to talk to you about QR codes. What a QR code is it's like a barcode, but it's two-dimensional. It can hold more information, and there's a lot of implications in education for them. A lot of ideas on how to use them in education. Now, I just got back from the MACE conference, which is a technology conference for educators, and it was just chock full of ideas on how to use different things. There were a lot of sessions that dealt with using QR codes in education. Either there were complete sessions dedicated to QR codes, or a lot of sessions just included a few ideas of what you can do with QR codes. Now, the jury's sort of out for me on using QR codes. I kind of think they're novel and they're kind of exciting, but a lot of people are using them in ways that I think my students are comfortable in, and I don't know, they're using them to link to a website instead of having to type it in. Personally, I filter all that through my classroom website because that's just the way I've trained my kids to do it, and I have no problems with that. So I don't really foresee myself using them in that way. But one idea that really jumped out at me that I really dug was using my QR codes with my classroom library. I've got a classroom library section on my website, and I built it to really catalog and check out the books that I have in my classroom. And I included a section to add reviews. Now, it's been kind of just something I put in there. I haven't really dealt a lot with as more of something it would be cool to do something with. And I don't have a lot of reviews on there, but it was mostly because I don't know how to get kids to use it. Well, this idea really helped. The idea being, if I have reviews, my students will write reviews for the books they read. We'll put them into the classroom library catalog. And then what I'll do is I'll create a QR code that links to the classroom library catalog. And I'll put this on the book that it represents. So if I'm looking at Rule of Thunder, Hear My Cry, there's going to be a QR code on the book. I can read the book sleeve or jacket, or I can read the synopsis. I can decide, that sounds interesting. Let's see what other people say. I could scan the QR code, which will take me to the classroom library and catalog, and I can read what other people are saying. Also, I can use that as a way to get to that page easily, so I can check out that book too. This was a quick example of a really cool use of QR codes.